Thank you for your interest in this opportunity and taking the time to learn a little more about what Oriflame can offer you. I am an HR recruitment professional and currently I'm an independent Oriflame brand partner. Being from a HR background, I choose to use my profession wisely and create an opportunity for others to earn for themselves, and indeed Oriflame has given me the opportunity to earn for myself and further create an opportunity for others to earn, grow and fulfill their dreams. Do you want to earn extra money or be able to treat yourself a little more? The possibility to see the world and travel with your family. A flexible schedule to spend more time with your family and friends. Independence, where you can be your own boss and earn a full-time income. Do you want to do something new and different in your lives? If your answer to any of these is yes, then this opportunity is for you. With Oriflame I am given an opportunity to make a positive change in life. It's a company that supports the transformation of dreams into reality. The story of Oriflame all began with a dream. The dream of two brothers, Jonas and Robert F. Juchnik, and a friend, who wanted to start a business that sold the highest quality beauty products at affordable prices. Inspired by Sweden's natural beauty, they sought to give people the opportunity to achieve their dreams. Oriflame was founded in Stockholm, Sweden, in 1967. It was a true pioneer in harnessing the power of natural extracts in products. The business was built on person-to-person recommendations. Oriflame grew from a small company to the largest European social-selling beauty company. Oriflame is present in 60 countries. Global community of over 3 million independent brand partners. Let me tell you a bit more about Oriflame. From the very beginning, Oriflame has been passionate about being socially responsible and making a difference, not only for individuals but also for communities and the environment. They are the co-founder of the World Childhood Foundation, with Her Majesty Queen Sylvia of Sweden, to help make a difference in the lives of vulnerable children. The founder of the Oriflame Foundation, helping to empower at-risk children and young women around the world to improve their lives, with a focus on education. Focusing on solutions that reduce water and energy usage. Researching on how to lessen the impact on the environment. No matter where we may live, we want to make the world a better place for us and for future generations to come. Now, let's talk about how Oriflame can help make a difference for you. From the very beginning, Oriflame has been passionate about being socially responsible and making a difference, not only for individuals but also for communities and the environment. At Oriflame, beauty is a way of life. This is why Oriflame is proud to offer you products that make your skin beautiful. Products and programs that support a healthy lifestyle, products that inspire you to express yourself. Let's take a closer look at the Oriflame products. Their wide range of products is designed to make you look and feel good, all year round. Beautiful skin harnessing the power of natural ingredients, their skincare products deliver real results. Because for us, everyone deserves to feel confident in his or her skin. Healthy lifestyle offering a simple routine with the highest quality ingredients, their wellness products and programs are designed to help you achieve your nutrition goals. Because for us, everyone should have the chance to live a healthy lifestyle. Personal expression unleashing your inner beauty, their makeup, personal and hair care, fragrance and accessories allow you to live your life the way you want. Because for us, everyone should be able to indulge and express oneself through a variety of products. With Oriflame you can feel beautiful inside and out. Beauty is more than skin deep, it comes both from the inside and the outside. That's why the in-house experts have developed skincare and wellness sets and routines to offer you comprehensive beauty solutions. These sets offer advanced routines that are easy to follow and help you achieve the best results. Comprehensive, targeted solutions for your individual needs. Ways to enhance your lifestyle as well as your customers, allowing the best value for money. Oriflame finds inspiration from the best sources. Oriflame takes the best from nature and uses scientific innovations to create great products with proven results. How do they do this? Nature natural extracts. No genetically modified organisms, GMO, in the formulations. Science, every ingredient is eco-ethically screened, ensuring its quality and safety. Oriflame follows EU safety standards, one of the strictest in the world. Oriflame has its own research and development teams with over 100 in-house scientists that help create and test the products. Let's move on to how you can make a positive change in your life with Oriflame. Since we've already talked about the wide range of products, let's now talk about what you can do with Oriflame to earn money. Joining Oriflame gives you the chance to do things on your terms. Let's go into detail about how you can become your own boss and do it your way. With Oriflame, it's completely up to you how, when and where you work. There are two ways of earning money, by recommending and selling the products or building your business. How to earn. Recommend and sell products and you learn some extra money on the immediate profit from all your customer orders. Build your business, by combining the selling of products with recruiting new brand partners, and you learn commissions on all team sales. No matter how you decide to earn, you can work offline or online. Let's start by taking a closer look at how you can earn an extra income with Oriflame. Recommending and selling products with Oriflame is a great way to earn extra money. As a brand partner, you will be entitled to a discount up to 20% off the catalog price on each product you sell. Let's take a closer look at the tools that will help you. Don't worry, you don't need any prior experience to become an Oriflame brand partner. You will have access to all the training material and support to help you recommend and sell the products. Here are some helpful tools for you. Free training to help you progress further in both business and beauty. Innovative apps to help you recommend relevant products to your customers. Beauty edits, with editorials and tips to keep you up to date on all the latest beauty trends. Your own personal beauty store, an online shop where your customers can browse and place orders. New products and special offers every month. These tools will help you work online or offline, wherever you want and whenever you want. Now let's talk about what happens when you want to focus on building your business. We've already talked about how to earn an extra income on the up to 20% discount from every order you take. Another way to earn an income is to build a sales team and get a commission on their sales. When you invite people to join your sales team, you help them succeed through training and development. When they place orders, you learn up to 21% commission on their sales plus any income you've already earned on individual sales. When you build your sales team, you can earn up to 21% commission of your team's sales. Build a career based on your own terms. Be recognized for your progress. Now let's take a look at how your income grows when you combine your own sales with the commission you earn on team sales. Once you start to recruit a new brand partner to join, you'll see your team begin to grow. In fact, the more people sell in your team, the more you can potentially earn. How can your income grow? You sell one Novage Ultimate Lift set and earn Rs 1,580. If 5 people on your team each sell one Novage Ultimate Lift set, you'll earn a Rs 3,524 commission on their sales. Each of the 5 people on your team has their own team of 5 people, each selling a Novage Ultimate Lift set. You'll now earn a commission of Rs 16,970 on their sales. The bigger your team is and the more they sell, the bigger commission you can earn on your team sales, bringing you even closer to reaching your earnings goal. Understand how you and your team will be helping one another grow, both personally and professionally. We know, we've just covered a lot of ground in a short amount of time. That's why we, independent brand partner and leaders with Oriflame, are always here to support you, inviting you to training sessions and teaching you how to properly build and maintain your network. You will also receive access to the Oriflame business app to help you stay actively connected to your sales network. Free professional training to help you develop your business and leadership skills. The more you grow, the more opportunities you'll have. In time, you'll see how your work pays off. Because when your team and sales grow, Oriflame will celebrate and reward you for your success. The perks of reaching higher: earn bonuses and increase your income. Receive cash awards. Be recognized at events. Qualify for international travel. You'll also have the personal satisfaction of knowing you're one step closer to achieving your dreams. At Oriflame, it's not just about putting in the work, it's also about enjoying yourself while doing so. Let's see what you can expect to experience as an Oriflame brand partner. As an Oriflame brand partner, you will join a welcoming community. Connect with fellow brand partners via social media. Meet new people at various Oriflame events. We will be a part of your community, cheering you on every step of the way. Join Oriflame today and you will receive the Welcome Program, the first 90 days guide that will help you kickstart your business with Oriflame. Full access to free online tools and training. Oriflame wants to help you reach your dreams of success. So now that we've covered everything, how do you feel? Are you ready for an exciting new chapter with Oriflame? For over 50 years, Oriflame has established itself as a company that empowers people to change their lives for the better. What we offer you: an affordable, low-risk way to start your own business and the freedom to run it your way. Earn extra money or build a career in order to reach your earnings goal. The opportunity to grow as an individual and help others succeed in life. So, are you ready to make a change?